Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel, My Home, My Dream. Hope you all are doing good. I'm fine. So today the video is all about hair care routine. Yes, how to prepare homemade hair conditioners. But we get a lot of hair conditioners in the market of different brands. But I personally feel your hair might get dried up by using for a longer period of time. So prepare your own natural hair conditioner at home so that after using for a couple of weeks, your hair gets more silkier, smooth and shiny. So try these hair conditioners for a couple of weeks and share your results in the comment box below. So let's get started. So the ingredients used for this are, I'm using aloe vera gel of any brand. You can also use natural aloe vera gel which we get out of this stem. You can peel it off this outer layer, and the gel which we get in between, you take it, grab it, and then I'm using this vitamin E capsules, Evian capsules, and coconut oil of any brand. I'm using Parachute Jasmine pure coconut oil. Here I'm using 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. You can also use natural extract from the plant, or else you can use simple aloe vera gel of any brand you get in the market. And now I'm gonna use 2 capsules of vitamin E. Just stir it and add the serum into the jar. Now I'm using coconut oil of any brand. Here I'm using Parachute Advanced Jasmine Coconut Oil. And then to mix all the 3 ingredients, I'm using rose water. You can rather use normal water with 2 drops of lemon. Mix all the ingredients for a couple of minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, to get a smooth silky paste. Here the conditioner is ready. You can shift to any empty bottle you have. Now I have shifted the whole conditioner into an empty bottle. You can use it whenever you take a head bath. Store it in a cool place, most probably in the refrigerator. Now the conditioner is ready. You can see the silky smooth conditioner. Once you take the head bath, after a couple of minutes, take this conditioner into your hands, rub it and apply on your wet hair. Okay, apply it onto your wet hair. I'm showing it right now. So after applying it on the wet hair, leave it for an hour. The hair will absorb the conditioner, and after some time your hair will be silky smooth. See. So try this conditioner at your home and see the results after a couple of weeks, and please share your results in the comment box below. And bye for today.